Hello everyone, today I want to share some Vedic maths tricks with you. So firstly I want to share square trick with you. अगर आप किसी नंबर का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर हैविंग द नंबर 25. So what will be the square of 25? Here at ones place our digit is 5. So firstly you have to multiply 5 with the same number 5. What is the square of 5? That is 25. 5 5s are 25. Now digit at tens place is 2. So number after 2 is 3. So you will multiply 2 with the next number to it, that is 3. So 2 3s are 6. So square of 25 will be 625. In the same way we will do square of 75. So what is the 5 square? 5 5s are 25. Here digit at tens place is 7, so number after 7 is 8 and 7 8s are 56. So our answer will be 5625. Thank you.